Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. I am Amjad Ali here, Head of Science Department, Pakshama School, Doha, Qatar. We are discussing about the 9th grade practical based assessment, and today I am going to explain you about experiment number 3, that is a major practical demonstrate that a chemical reaction release energy in the form of heat. First of all, to perform this activity in the laboratory, you require the apparatus, test tube rags, glass rod and thermometer, chemicals, calcium oxide and distilled water. The chemical reaction for this experiment is calcium oxide react with water, give calcium hydroxide, plus energy is also released. Procedure is simple. Take about 5 gram of calcium oxide on a filter paper. Take about 20 centimeter cube of distilled water in a test tube and note initial temperature. Suppose it is T1. Now drop calcium oxide in the test tube containing distilled water. Stir it with the glass rod and observe the thermometer carefully. Temperature in the thermometer will start rising. Note the temperature where it stopped rising. It is T2. Difference between these two temperatures indicate that the heat energy released during the process of dissolution. Then you can find the difference between these two, T2 minus T1. Repeat this experiment 3 times. Note observation and result in the form of table. In first, temperature before adding calcium oxide, then temperature after adding calcium oxide, yani T2. Then find the difference in temperature T2 minus T1. This one is your result. At the end you will write result. Addition of water to calcium oxide produce heat. Therefore, it is an exothermic reaction. Question and answer about this experiment. First of all, you must know about what is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is a reaction that proceeds with the evolution of heat. What is endothermic reaction? A chemical reaction that proceeds with the absorption of heat. How steam produced when calcium oxide is added to the water. Addition of calcium oxide in the water is an exothermic reaction. Heat produced during this reaction converts the water to steam. To which type of heat change process the following reactions belongs to? Combustion, decomposition of limestone, neutralization, dissolving of ammonium nitrate. Combustion, exothermic reaction. Decomposition of limestone, endothermic reaction. Neutralization, exothermic reaction. Dissolving of ammonium nitrate in the water, it is also a endothermic reaction. Is photosynthesis an exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction? It is endothermic reaction. What is the chemical name and formula of lime water? Calcium hydroxide, formula CaOH twice. What does the following indicate? Plus delta H, it indicate endothermic reaction. Minus delta H, it indicate exothermic reaction. See you next in lecture of PBA Chemistry SSC-I. So to watch a video lecture and more explanation of this experiment, subscribe and keep watching Amjad Ali 1522@youtube.com. Take care of you and all around you, especially your parents. Okay, Allah Hafiz.